Hello everyone, I'm John Cleese with Lake Effect Garden and Design, and today I wanted to show you a new plant, not a new plant, a new plant for me that I started planting this year, and this is Bearberry, and this is native in a lot of parts of North America. I was out in Truro on Cape Cod, Massachusetts this past January, and I was walking through the dunes and they were just covered with this Bearberry plant. And I looked it up and there was a native variety here in Michigan. And actually I also planted the Massachusetts Bearberry as well, but it's really, it's a somewhat of an evergreen ground cover. It almost looks like a boxwood hedge that grows along the ground. So I think it's a perfect native ground cover. It's something I've been looking for. It had little blooms and now it gets these little tomato-y like berries on it. And it will turn slightly yellow in the fall. So what a great ground cover if you have a sunny space and you don't want to plant, which I would prefer you not to plant, like Pachysandra or the Vinca, but this is a great substitute for a ground cover. Again, I just planted that last spring, so it will get very thick and matty.